So today's lesson is what I call the 8 winder. Number 8, winder, not the side winder, for those of you who do tribal fusion. Okay, so this move is a move that I have in Tribal from a Trap, which is my style of tribal fusion. Also, the music is by Tribal from a Trap, and they've got loads and loads of music to choose from, so go check them out. You'll probably really like it. So anyway, 8 winder, tribal from a Trap stylization and movement in my classes. So let's get started. Please warm up fast, okay? Because I'm going to go straight in. So we have the chest figure of 8, alternating with the hip figure of 8, aka Taksim. Okay, so I have other videos on YouTube on those moves, so go check them out if you're not sure what it is. I'm going to assume you know how to do it. So let's get started with our chest figure of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's just do 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's go into Taksim. We're going to snake those hips as much as we can. Okay, so up and on the left or your right. You can keep the heels on the floor or you can raise the heels. Now let's raise them. And try to cascade those hips from one side to the other. And you've got to really engage your obliques to do that. Okay? Shoulders down, long neck. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and now we can do it with flat feet. 8, 7. Becomes a lot harder. You have to use your muscles way more. You have to really snake through the hips. So come and see me in person. Come to my class in person in London. And if you can't take my classes in person, then you can do them online instead. I teach all of my classes are available online actually, so you can train with us week by week and do a full 12-week course with us and progress from one week to the next with us, as if you're in class in person. So the only difference is if you wanted to, you could do your pajamas at home. And no. Okay, so yeah, check it out. Anyway, the hips go down, you're scooping. Alright, so what we're going to do for the 8 winder is we are going to combine them. We're going to alternate them. Okay, so let's start off with 4 chest and 4 hips. 4 chest and 4 hips. Okay? So breathe, get your shoulders, float the arms, plie, very grounded. I was having this conversation with my students over the last few weeks actually about what it means to be grounded. And actually, it's a really big deal. So to be grounded, we're asking a lot of ourselves, to really be in touch with ourselves. So bend the knees, and then we're going into chest 8. So 1, fulfill your shape. 2, if you're not sure about this, go and watch my other videos. And then this chest picks up this hip, and it turns into your Taksim. 3, 4, and then it picks this chest up. So side, 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 and pick up the hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. I believe there's a quick tips video on this, so if you want to just have a go of this real quickly and refresh it without so much detail, you can go to the quick tips video on the 8 winder. This, again, as I said before, is one of my signature moves in Tribal from a Trap. And Tribal from a Trap is my style of tribal fusion. And Tribal from a Trap is also music, so you can find my music pretty much everywhere. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. We're going to do it in 2s in a moment, but for the moment, let's do it again and really try to focus on getting the shape of the chest. Okay, so you really want to get your chest to cascade, and then you want your hips to cascade. Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. Just go slow. 3. Don't lose your neck. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, in 2s. 1, 2, and 1, and we're going to go a little bit faster. Okay? So, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Chest, chest and hip, hip and chest, chest and hip, hip and chest, chest, hip, hip, 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 chest, chest, hip, hip. The 8 winder. Okay, so check out my other videos on YouTube. I've got loads. Come and train with me in my school. I'll look after you, and or take my online classes, and you can progress with us from one week to the next, and then go through the levels that way. See you soon. Bye.